Hello everyone and welcome to this very special video. Today I'm really happy to announce that we've been talking about a lot of things with the team, and we found a couple of things that I'm very sure you guys are gonna love. So today's video, there's no 3D, but there's so many good news. Let's jump right into it. They're gonna be good news, as you saw in the title. They're all giveaway related, so I hope you guys enjoy. So let's start right here. So we've been thinking about how to, of course, thank you guys for all of your support, all of the continuous questions, your comments, everything that you've done to help the channel grow. As you guys know, I started doing this thing last year. Today it's a special day, and I want to celebrate this special day with you by showing you this 3 new things that we're going to be doing in the channel, plus a very special gift that we're going to be doing today for this video, okay? So the first thing, this is something that a lot of people have been asking for. We are going to be doing challenges. We're going to have art challenges here on the channel, and we're going to have 3 lucky winners. There's going to be cool prizes. We're thinking about like gaming mouses, like Wacom tablets, stuff like that. We're still like polishing up all of the details to make sure everyone can participate and everyone has access to this challenge. This will be a bi-monthly challenge, so you guys are gonna have 60 days to complete the challenge. Of course, it's gonna be a 3D challenge. Everyone's welcome. We're gonna be evaluating a lot of different things, but we're gonna be giving more information about this one in the upcoming days. We want to launch the challenge at the beginning of each like bimester, so in this case it will be September. So for September and October we're gonna have one challenge, and then for November and December we're gonna have another challenge, and so on and so forth. The submissions are going to be very similar to how we've been doing the portfolio reviews. There's going to be a link you can submit, and of course the winners of those challenges will receive a very cool prize. As I mentioned, things like Wacom tablets, like gaming mice, like keyboards, stuff like that. So yeah, this is going to be, I'm really excited about this one. But if you're like, hey, you know what, I feel like I'm still not like super good at the 3D stuff, I'm just learning, maybe this is my first time doing a little bit of 3D instead of like Blender or Maya, stuff like that, don't worry, we have 2 more things that I think you guys are gonna love. The first one is the lucky email subscriber. So you guys know we have our emailing list. Every single month we will be giving away 1 free course of your choice to a lucky email winner. So if you want to participate in this one, the only thing you need to do is you need to subscribe to our email list or to our mailing list. You're gonna find the details to that list down here. You guys know that sometimes we give away some of our courses when you subscribe. In this case, we're not giving away any course, but you are gonna be on the list, and we're gonna be announcing the lucky winners at the end of the month to so that you can claim your course, the one that you want the most. If you want to learn rigging, if you want to learn cinematics, if you want to learn about XGen and how to create believable animals, if you want to do Unreal Engine, we have a lot of courses. I think we have more than 50 courses now, so you are going to be able to pick whichever you want. It's going to be for our lucky winner. And not only that, we're also going to have a lucky fan of the month. So for the fan of the month, the only thing you need to do is you need to comment on our videos whenever you want. You can also get more entries if you leave a review in any of our sites like Skillshare or Udemy. You can leave whatever review you feel is what's the word, it's appropriate for the video that you just saw, for the tutorial you just took. But we will be rewarding 1 lucky winner throughout the month. Again, we're just gonna randomly select someone from all of the comments, all of the reviews, all of the things that you leave here on our sites and our channels, and yeah, you're also going to be able to pick your favorite course or the one that you're looking the most forward to. Even if the course released on that month, it feels like a completely new course, you will be eligible to pick that one out. And yeah, the only thing you need to do is keep interacting with us, keep leaving comments, keep sharing stuff, and that's also going to help us grow and be able to offer more of these things. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is the very first, or the first big news that I want to give you about the new like things that we're going to be doing here in the channel. So again, fan of the month, the only thing you need to do, leave a comment, make sure to leave a review if you got any of our courses on the premium sites, and you could be the lucky winner of a new course. For the lucky email subscriber, the only thing you need to do, subscriber, did I wrote that? Yeah, that's, I thought I made a mistake, but that's, it's good. So you only need to join our mailing list down here on the comment section or on the description of the video, and that's pretty much it. And wait for the Nexttut Art challenge that's going to be launching this next month on September, so that you guys can bring your tablets out, get your art fluids going, and deliver an amazing composition or amazing result. Things are going to be a little bit like we're going to vary them. Sometimes it might be related to textures, sometimes it might be related to models, sometimes it might be related to renders. We'll see. We'll like bounce things back and forth to see what the best option is. Also, make sure to leave some comments if you want to know about that. And finally, this is the one that you've been waiting for. This is another giveaway that we're doing, and this is in honor of my 30th birthday. So today, as you guys know, August 30, I am turning 30. I'm in the third floor, as they call it now, or here in Mexico they call it the third floor once you reach like each stage of your aging process. And we are giving away 10 courses. 10 lucky subscribers to this channel will get a free course, and it's going to be the ZBrush 2022 complete guide to ZBrush 2022. So if you've been wanting to get into this course, if you've been looking at it and you just haven't or you were waiting for the perfect opportunity to learn ZBrush, this is it. The only thing you need to do, leave a comment down here, whatever you want. If you want to wish me a happy birthday, if you want to do whatever you want, just leave me a comment, and we're gonna pick tomorrow. I'm gonna of course record the video so that everything is legit and stuff. Tomorrow we're gonna pick 10 lucky winners that are gonna be getting this special ZBrush 2022 complete guide. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. At the time you're seeing this, I'm probably gonna be sleeping because it's it's usually late at night when the video is released. But I'm gonna be celebrating my birthday as well. So I'll see you back tomorrow, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for all of your support, for all of your comments, everything that you've done so far. As I mentioned, I started like uploading stuff here at this channel like a year and 2 months ago, something like that, like June last year, and it's been amazing. I've seen the numbers grow. The community has become a lot bigger. We're almost at 30,000 subscribers, or 30,000, is that the word? Yeah, we're really close to that very nice goal, like very nice special number. And yeah, let's see if we can get maybe 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That would be great, right? Like, we're still missing like 4 months or 3 months, so maybe we can get a very special number by then. Also, let me know in the comments what else you want to take a look at. We're still working on some other projects. We have the dragon egg now. The boots are still missing. We're gonna jump into texture very soon. And yeah, so yeah, let me know, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for your support again, and don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe. I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye-bye.